But yeah, we've slipped below that 22,000 mark and 22,200, I beg your pardon. And it's really an 8-month low that we've, knocked for ourselves in this week alone. But let's see what the March series has in store for us. But Shivangi, Rudra, both of you, thank you so much as always for your time. I'm going to hand it over to Snehi then to wind up how the day as well as the week was.
Well, absolutely. It's not looking good either for the day or the week, but let's take a look at how today's trading session has panned out on the markets. It's an almost 2% intraday cut coming in for the Nifty 50, a 400-point cut coming in just in today's trading session alone. In fact, we have been struggling to hold above that 20-100 mark all day, and that's the level that we seem to be closing near. Let's take a look at what Sensex has done in tandem with the Nifty, a 2% cut coming in on that front as well, and that's lower by almost 1,500 points in today's trading session, so not looking good at all for the Sensex as well. On the flip side, let's take a look at what the broader markets have done, because if you think this is where the carnage ends, the broader markets have taken it deeper on the chin today, a 2.5% cut coming in on the mid-cap index, and what's done even worse is Nifty small cap. That's a 3% intraday cut coming in for the Nifty small cap index alone. Let's take a look at the advanced decline ratio. That's deeply in the favor of the declines, because while you have close to 400 stocks in the advances, 2,300 stocks are declining in today's trading session. On the back of that, the India Wix has spiked up 5 to 6% in today's trade, cooled off slightly to be around that 4% uptick, 4.6% rather, so that 5% uptick continues to be there on the India Wix today. Let's talk about some gainers and losers. Very few gainers on the Nifty 50 side. Shriram Finance, HDFC Bank, Coal India as well as Trent and Hindalco were some of the winners today. Coal India, of course, on the back of that price hike taken by one of its units on the coal that it's been selling, a 300 rupee per ton price hike. On the flip side, what did not do well at all today was IndusInd Bank, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, M&M, Bharti Airtel, Tata Motors, all trading with cuts of anywhere between 4.5% and 6.5%. Let's talk about sectoral moves. Then Nifty IT, biggest loser in today's trade, a 4% cut coming in just today. Nifty Auto, Media, PSU Banks, FMCG, Energy, Pharma, Realty, Metals and Bank. That's the pecking order of your most to least losers in today's trading session. The likes of Tech Mahindra down by 6%, Wipro, Emphasis, LTI, Mindtree, Infosys, TCS, all of them trading with cuts. That's how today's market session has wrapped up. If you take a look at what the benchmarks have done, what the sectors have done, on the back of brokerages, Coal India upbeat notes coming in. Investec has upgraded ICICI Prudential Life to a buy from a hold, so the entire insurance sector was in space. UBS and OMCs continues to maintain a buy on HPCL, IOCL and BPCL, so those stocks were in focus today on the back of this note as well. Although no matter how positive these notes were, the stocks have all given into the market pressure today. Jeffries on real estate, they prefer DLF, Godrej Properties and Lodha. Also on the back of Godrej Properties, you had an IFL management meet also happening, but nonetheless that stock was also lackluster in today's trading session, closing rather flat. But that's how we've wrapped up today's trading session. It's looking very somber for the markets. This is how we finally end February, and aren't you glad we've come to an end to February, because the markets have tanked and how in the month that has gone by. We can only hope for the March series to be better for the streets.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.